Alright, we're on the road again. This time we're heading south, about 160, 170 miles south to Naples. And we're approaching the Skyway Bridge right here. It's a Thursday afternoon. It's hot and muggy outside, 93 degrees. I want to be there spending the Memorial Day weekend. Current fuel consumption, the last 25 miles, we're looking about 11 miles per gallon. Looks like we have rain starting any minute now. Alright, we're arriving at the Lake San Marino
Turn right
RV
onto
park.
San Marino Drive, then your destination will be on the right.
We're arriving here after hours. It's about 7 o'clock, so I want to pick up the envelope. It should be right here. Let's take a look where it's at, and it's right here. Beautiful site right here. It's a premier back inside. So we got the connections right here. And it's nice, we have a little bit of privacy to the next one. There's nobody there, which is nice. And this park home is actually for sale, so there's nobody there either. Okay, we got the sewer right there. We got water, and then our 50 amp, 30 amp. Okay, great. All right, let's park it. Well, today was mostly a working day, a Friday. So I was able to work remote from the trailer, and we're heading over to a German restaurant right here in Naples now. We've been here before. The Black Forest restaurant. Tonight's features are looking good. I think we're gonna have the beef rouladen and probably a schnitzel. And for starters, we have a Weihenstephan Hefeweizenbier. Here we have a goulash soup and a cucumber salad. Being from Germany, I can attest to that this goulash soup is authentic and is very tasty. Amazing. Rouladen looks fantastic, and the Jägerschnitzel, and with the mushroom sauce, as we have it also in Germany, looks great. Oh, that was fantastic. Full belly, you go for a walk. It's nice and warm still, it's in the upper 80s. I was actually 91 when we pulled in. Some rain clouds over there, sunshine behind us. A beautiful evening, ending in a great day. And we have another couple more days, Saturday and Sunday here. Explore more of this area. Sunset over the Gulf of America, water temperature 86 degrees already. Good morning. Today is Saturday, Memorial Day weekend, and we're gonna head out to some beaches. It's a beautiful morning, as you can see, not one cloud in the sky. We had the Sun Outdoors RV park, and they have a nice pool area. And here is the Lake San Marino. But the first beach we're gonna go today is the Clam Pass Beach. It's about 11 miles from the RV resort. And we'll see how it looks like. A beautiful morning here at the Lake San Marino RV Resort and Cottages. Yes, the access to the Clam Pass public beach and boardwalk. It's about a 3/4 mile boardwalk, but they offer a free shuttle service. And they open up at 8 o'clock, so it's just before 8 o'clock, just waiting a little bit to catch the shuttle and then probably walk back. Parking is $10. There's a gate in the front, you can pay there or via app. Here we are, beautiful morning. Yeah, we're still early, it's 8 o'clock in the morning, you know. So they're opening up a little bit later, a little snack bar here. Look at this beautiful sand, white powder sand. That was a nice beach. Now we're heading over to the Naples Pier, checking out that area. Here we are at the Naples Pier. And as we can see, it is actually closed because it was damaged by Hurricane Ian in 2022.
You would have to be living at a place that has a dock. Some of these condos have them.
Exactly, that's what she was afraid of.
Right, that's the Naples Pier. Yeah, they're supposed to have it reopened end of 2026.
You have arrived.
Hey, morning. Get some nice drone footages in there? All right. Beautiful sand, as we have also in the Tampa Bay area. Here we are at the Laudermilk beach. Okay, we stopped by at the Flamingos Farmers and Flea Market in Bonita Springs. This is pretty huge here. We see two huge aisles, red and blue side, with all the different vendors. And here we have some chicharron together with the
Mangolada.
mangolada. Alright, next we're gonna head over to Sea to Table, which is like a grocery store, restaurants, bar, everything combined in one. Because you don't want to...
Here we go, y'all.
I don't want to do it.
That's right.
Oh, join the convoy.
Come and shake your body, baby, do not go down. Don't you come up in your toe any longer. Feel the rhythm of the music, it is stronger. Don't you better feel do it without going down beat.
We are back at Clams Beach here, where we were this morning. And now it's sunset time, about 8 p.m. Sun will set in about 10 minutes or so. Beautiful day, Saturday evening, Memorial Day weekend, 2025. And for today's lunch, warming up the delicious German food, the schnitzel with the red cabbage and the spätzle noodle and the Jäger sauce. Alright, we're still here at Naples and we're visiting the Tin City. It's an area with stores, restaurants and bay cruises here. So wife is gonna have the fish and chips, and I'm gonna have the golf grouper. And we have a sangria as well, 2 for 1 today. And here we have the small grouper and the fish and chips.
Appreciate you. I'm gonna take a quick little break, but I'm here for another few hours, so I sure hope you stick around for some fun. We appreciate you being here.
You found something here for a house? She said. And with these last images from downtown Naples, 5th Avenue, we say goodbye to Naples for now. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.